welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm gonna do an unboxing video with my fire alarms. Let's get started. But he texted me for the privacy. I will not say his name, but he's really nice that he sent me these. Look at this. Okay, there's some stuffing. Whoa. Like a mounting plate. We got a mounting plate. Here's a base plate. Good morning. Look at this. Got a Firelight BG12. Anyway. It's the knockoff. What's this one? Oh, look at this. A mounting bracket. I think I have those. It's a strobe bracket. Very cool. Really cool strobe. Oh, yeah, here's a strobe plate. Include the key. The key for this BD12 double action. Oh, look at the strobe. I think it goes into this. No, it goes into that. Yeah, that. Got two strobes in this video. I think I saw. Oh, got the last two things. Switch. Man, these are all nice. New. But except that, because they're old. Nope. There we go. This attaches. Let's move on to the big box. Let's see. Thank you, whoever sent this, but I know that name. Oh my God. A big street light strobe, huh? It's broken, it's old. Look at that. See? Look at the buttons. This thing still flashes. Well, let's test all these. We don't need to do this, but we're gonna. This thing still works in the night, in the darkness. Okay. Cool. Well, thank you guys for watching. Hope you have a good day. Like and subscribe. Bye.